Hello everybody, it's Gary Woodworth. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. Today, don't miss it out today. Today we did the first look at a nice, the Peterbilt semi-truck. That's called as a refrigerator trailer. And, yeah, this truck is about a long time, but it's just an interesting those. Do you see that the trailer's been loaded? Hang on. That's a load in a box truck, so they carry box. And this is a good semi truck, so don't miss out to the semi trucks and the short life. I'm gonna make a YouTube channel. Oops, I moved that trailer. There we go. How's that? Do you like it? Like, subscribe, ring the bell. And yeah, don't miss out on my semi truck parties. So let me know. So, watch at the door. Here's a semi truck, and it's 7 animals. It's the prestige, all kind of stuff. And yeah, that's what I got. So anything to update for me? It's on my semi truck. What did you use the trailer? How look? Like, subscribe, ring the bell, don't miss at a trailer. Have horn. Do you like that? And yes, it's a truck driver, it's the only good loading dock. Right now it's in the sleeper cab right now. See, I'm working on to do. So, do you like my design my truck? I got 4 mirrors in the front because the people that know next to me or just send some drivers out. And of course, the axles on my trucks are pretty colorful. And to do on it to any color you want. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. Don't miss out. And have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good day. So, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.